For centuries, the ocean has hidden its secrets. Until now. A faint sonar signal deep beneath the waves revealed a shipwreck that shouldn't exist. We descended into darkness. Pressure built. Visibility vanished. Every meter took us further from the world above and closer to history. Out of the shadows, the wreck appeared. Broken masts, barnacle-encrusted cannons, tattered sails, echoes of empires long forgotten. Inside the hold, treasures untouched for centuries. Golden chalices, engraved maps, weapons of a civilization erased from memory. But the ocean guards its secrets. A massive predator circle, currents twisting, warning us to leave.